So if you're looking for a way to increase your video sound quality and not break the bank, this is the video for you. Let's talk about it.
It's the means that they fresh out the box, then you gotta keep them clean. There's that knowledge in your walk when you step on the scene. Technology.
Hey, what is up, everybody? Today we will be talking about a mic that, in my opinion, is bar none one of the best microphones out there, and it is under $100. Today we will be reviewing and talking about the FULAIM X5. To be honest with you, I don't even know if I'm saying the name right, but this is what it is. And this mic, bar none, to me, in my opinion, I didn't want to spend the $200, $300 on a mic, and this one was the best option. I tried several different kinds, and out of all the ones I tried, I felt like this was the only one worth reviewing. So today, we're going to be taking a look at it. We're going to be unboxing. I'm going to show you all the contents that came with mine. I will have the link to purchase this microphone down in my description section as well. I will be giving you guys the sound quality of the mic. I'll show you different functions of the mic, and I will show you the range as far as how far you can walk away from your camera or your cell phone or whatever you're using the microphone for it, while still maintaining good sound quality. But before we get off into the content, make sure you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button for your boy. I would greatly appreciate it. Start off, since I already have the mic in hand, right now you're currently hearing the sound quality from the X5 microphone. Now, with that being said, I will be recording the unboxing of the product from just the stock microphone from the camera, so you guys can hear the difference. So again, right now you're hearing the sound quality from the X5 microphone. Now let's get up into the unboxing, and the sound that you're going to be hearing during this unboxing is going to be the stock sound from my Canon camera. Alright, so this is the package that the microphones did come in. This is the X5, like I said. FULAIM, I want to say, is the name of it. I'm not 100% sure how to say it, to be honest with you, but this package the X5 did come with 2 microphones in the transmitter. So I will be opening up the package. This is what the box pretty much looks like. This is the back of them with the specs. You guys can pause that, do whatever you need to get those specs or whatever. And then as we open up this box, it came with this package that has like your instructions and all that stuff on it. I'll go ahead and open that up. User guide as well. I'm the type of person, I really don't use a user guide, so we're gonna put that to the side. And then it came with a box that looks like this, and this is the box that has the actual microphones in it, and we're gonna open that up in a second. It came with 2 dust bunnies or whatever, for the wind cancellation and all that good stuff, and I'll show you that function on the mic, and I'll also do a demonstration with that. And it came with some sets of wires. This one is for the USB-C to go to USB, and then this one is for the also the Type-C to go to the USB also. So just 2 different ones for that. And then you also had the actual mono cables for sound quality, and that's going to go into the transmitter. Now, that is the contents of the box. This is the actual mic. So as you guys can see here, small and compact. Like if it's holding in my hand, this is how small it is. So super small, compact. That's what the branding looks like on the top of it. So as you open this thing up, you see where it shows the charging ports right there. It shows that it is fully charged. And when I got them, it didn't recommend that I charge them because it was already charged, but I did it anyway. It is charged via USB-C cable in the back. But anyway, as you open it up, it comes with 3 contents in it. You're going to have, well, actually 5. So this is going to be your transmitter. And as you look at your transmitter, as you guys can see right here, this is showing the sound quality from the mic. As I say different things, you see that the mic is doing its own thing right there, and it's showing you the different decimals and stuff as far as it goes with the mic. And it shows mic 1 and mic 2. So this is the transmitter. This clips onto an item, or you can slide it onto the top. This clip is made to where you can slide it onto the top of a camera, and it mounts there as well. So that is the transmitter right there. The next thing is going to be 2 mics. This is cool. I'm glad that they gave me 2 mics. If I'm doing an interview type video, if I have multiple people, this is very good. This is clutch. So I'm going to put this mic down. As you guys can see, the mic is small. Like I said, based on my hand, you see how small the mic is. And on the top of the mic, as you guys can see right here, this is the actual microphone. It comes with a clip on the back but also comes with a magnet where you can clip to your shirt. So just in case you don't want to clip it to the lapel or whatever, you can clip it to your shirt. And then this is the bottom of the mic where the battery portals are. On the side you have where you can connect it to USB-C or whatever. That way you can go to a computer. And then on this side you have your power on and power off button. And then this is the button that you set to the decimal range that you want, so the sound quality that you want. And we'll talk about that here in a second. But you do get your two mics as well, so we're gonna put those down. You also get the USB-C transmitter right here, and then the iPhone as well. So if I want to connect to my phone or my iPhone or any other device that has these two ports on it, you get these two that can connect, and you can do that as well. So it is super universal. You're able to connect it to anything that you can record to, and you have great sound quality. Again, very lightweight. You're able to connect it to multiple things, and I'm going to show you how to connect it to your phone or
now,
the camera.
switching
so let me show
over
you
to the Canon or the camera display and how to set that up. So again, you have the mic that's here, and you're going to take this mic, and because of the clip that's on the back, you're going to slide that there. So now it connects on top of the camera housing unit. So you're going to take your mono cable here, and you're going to connect it there, and then we're going to connect it to the side of the camera here. So now we are good to go setup wise for the camera. So I'm going to finish out the rest of the video recording from the microphone just to kind of give you guys the range and stuff like that. So let's go ahead and do that.
All right, so the next thing I want to show you guys is going to be the connection of the little wind cancellation fluff bunny dust buddy thing right here connected to the actual microphone. So as you guys can see right here, you have the mic that's here, and this literally just connects to the top of the microphone, and it just turns. So now we have the microphone that's gonna be able to go outside in any wind. This little fluffy thing should be able to stop that wind. But you also have on the microphone what we call the one-click sound cancellation, and that's gonna be on the right hand side of the left hand side of the mic. It's gonna be that yellow button right there. You're just gonna hold and press that down, and in the process of holding and pressing that down, this turns on a voice cancellation. So let me show you guys what that actually sounds like. So this is pre-voice cancellation right now, what you guys hear from me. And this here, this here is going to be the voice cancellation mode on. And I'm not sure if you can tell the difference, but just hearing it here, because I'm not outside, I don't have the wind, it is very beneficial outside. But for just what I'm doing right now with you guys, I would say that function does not need to be used in this Dust Bunny. Is not actually needed when it comes to the microphone. So let me turn the voice cancellation off. All right, so now we are back in normal mode. So all in all, these microphones are pretty good. I'm gonna walk away from the mic and kind of show you guys to gauge how much sound quality you guys will receive the farther I walk away. So let me turn on my camera here. I'm turning my camera. Okay, so now I have two cameras moving because I want to be able to walk around. So I'm walking away from the camera. Currently the camera is right here, so I'm currently walking away from the camera. And I'm still walking away. I'm not sure if you guys still can hear me, but I am still walking away. I'm currently by my front door in my house, away from the camera, which is a good range. Okay, so I'm sure you guys can still hear me. And for me, I'm not gonna be going any further than this when I'm using the microphone. So I'm gonna walk back into my room. As you guys can see, I am walking back into my location, back into my sneaker room, and I am getting closer to the mic. So I am back in front of the camera. I'm going to stop the two cameras right now. And that is pretty much the range of this microphone. So very good microphone. I hope you guys can hear the good quality of it. And like I said, you do have the option of the magnet, and you can just take the magnet. You can just put it here, and you're able to rock it like this, Or if you don't want to use the magnet, if you have like a lapel or a collar, you can always just take the clip and just clip the mic wherever it is you want to put it. So extremely versatile microphone. Again, I will put the link down in my description section for you guys to cop. Y'all let me know what your thoughts and opinions. It is a great option instead of paying the $200, $250 for the other major brands. In my opinion, a very good microphone. But I appreciate you guys for tapping in. Let me know which mics you are using, how you improved your sound quality, and let me know if you have this mic and what's your thoughts and opinions. I hope this guys help you determine on how to create better content on your channel, and I appreciate you guys for tuning in. As always, y'all know what the saying is: rock what you like, not what's hype. And remember, everything we talk about on this channel, including this mic, is just bait. A way for me to share my faith. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Peace.
If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got you, never slack on the fruit for OGs and the youth. You can kick it with us too. Technology.